Welcome back to a new episode. Tonight, we explore the urban grit that stays hidden during the day. No boring transitions, no meaningless walks, just the absolute essence of these forgotten alleys. If you're looking for the true heartbeat of the city after dark, you're in the right place. Right now, I'm standing in a hidden back alley right next to the Nan'an Market in Guangzhou, China. This place has a vibe you won't find on any tourist map. Let's dive into the underground reality. She was just standing there in the shadows. I felt like striking up a conversation to see what the story was. She didn't say much, just held up 2 fingers, a silent number that told the whole story. Emerging from the depths, the neon fades into the raw bustle of Nanan Market. It's jarring how a few steps can take you from the hidden world of the backstreets back into the unforgiving light of the city. That wraps up our exploration of these hidden alleys for tonight. A world that exists in the shadows, often ignored, but never truly gone. If you want to see more of the side of the city that stays hidden, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Your support keeps these journeys going. Until next time, stay curious.